In this video lesson, I will show you what is lot size calculator for the GER40 symbol and also the instrument, and you will have a link below in the description. That article will explain a little bit more details about this lot size calculator, how to calculate the lot size based on the number of pips and also based on the risk percentage on your trading account. One note that you need to have in mind, and that is for the GER40, the contract size defined is one lot equal to 1 unit, which means 1 pip is equal to $0.01. This is something I will explain a little bit later on. Let me show you first what are the fields inside the lot size calculator so you know how to use this one. First instrument is the field where you define the instrument. I have put here for the GER40. Then you have here a deposit currency. I have set this one to US dollar because my deposit currency on the trading account is in US dollars. You can see it here. You can change that also currency to any other here. Then you have here two fields where the one is open price, second one is stop loss price. If you would like to use this combination, you can also put the prices here, but there is a second option that you can use. Instead of open price, stop loss price, you can also use a stop loss price in number of pips. I will use this one, so I will define my stop loss will be 100 pips. Then you have here account balance. You can put any number here, but I will put $10,000 because it's very close to the trading account balance I have currently on my trading account. Then we have here a GER40 1 pip size, which tells you at which decimal point on the market price is 1 pip. So it says that it is on the second decimal point. So when you go here to the trading platform, when you see 1559394.40, 0, which is the second decimal point, when it changes to by one number, by 1 unit, it will mean it has changed by 1 pip. Well, here it is a field for the risk. You can enter the risk or the risk in percentage or in the deposit currency. In my case, I would like to use in percentage. That will be 1% of my account balance, which is $10,000. That will be $100. And we have here a USD against euro price. This is additional variable that is needed for the calculations in US as a deposit currency, because we have a GER40 instrument which is visible on the trade here in the euros. And then click calculate. You will get here a question mark that requires from you, when you click on it, you need to enter a contract size, which means units per lot. So here it is 1, which means 1 unit per 1 lot. But you need to check that with your broker. What is the contract size for the GER40? Second way how you can check that, go here to the market watch, click right mouse button here where this GER40 is, click specification. This will open a new window where you can see the contract size is equal to 1, and that means 1 lot is equal to 1 unit. You can also see a margin currency is euro, which means that is needed this USD euro price to calculate that the result in the US dollar deposit currency. So the GER40 contract size is equal to 1, click calculate, and you will get that you need to, in opening the trade, you need to enter 92.717 a lot size. Let me show you that on the trading account with an example. So you need to enter here 92.72. I will round this number. It is completely grayed out, something is wrong, and probably it is the rounding. We need to round this number to 93. When you go here in the specification sheet again of the GER40, you will see what is the minimum lot size change. The minimum volume is 1, the maximum one is 250 lots, and the volume step should be by 1. So you can go from 1, 2, 3, 4. You cannot use decimal points. That's why I will use, and I will round this number to 93. I will use pending order with the buy limit. Let's open a trade at 15.5. What's for example 15.580. Okay, let's put stop loss to 100 pips, which will be 15.15579, and take profit will be 15581. This is 100 pips. Let's open new order. Here it is, and let's check what is the stop loss. Stop loss is set to 100 pips, which I have defined in the lot size calculator, and we have here a profit minus $100.26. You can see that it's very close to $100 I have defined here, but the problem is we could not use decimal point in the lot size. So you can see before opening order, you can define what is the lot size based on your risk that you're willing to take here, which is set to 1%, and also stop loss defined by your trade. So if lot size is used to open a trade which is in line with your risk management strategy, so you can see how you define lot size. If you have any questions regarding this lot size calculator for the GER40, please leave a comment and I will try to answer your question as soon as possible. If you like this video, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and happy trading!